What up, big dog? Shit, let me get a pack of Rellos. Honey, Dutchess.
Yeah, I got you, man.
Alright.
Alright, that's all you came for? $7, bro.
Alright, bet. Shit, it could have been free though. You know what I'm saying? Fuck with me. Hold on. Same time I don't know you, man. Where my blunt at, nigga? Where my blunt?
What's hot outside?
Where my blunt? Get my
Bro,
blunt.
I got you.
Yeah, big bro. I'm a big fan of anime and stuff, bro. You know, like I rock them with them Gokus you got on.
What?
I'm telling you.
Nigga? These is Dragon
How many
Balls.
Dragon Balls are there?
Uh-oh.
Huh?
What?
What's going on over here?
You heard me. How many Dragon Balls in Dragon Ball Z? You know that, right?
This ain't no motherfucking game show. What you think this is? Jeopardy or something, nigga? With a fortune? Get my goddamn blunts, nigga.
Cause you ain't bout that life.
Nigga, it's 7. Everybody know that.
Nah.
Your grandma and baby mama know that, nigga. God damn it.
Shit, I ain't
Easy.
know that.
Alright, how did Frieza die on planet Namek?
He don't. How you think he fought Trunks?
Oh Lord, they popping trunk.
Easy! What was
Fuck you
the
talking so loud
name
Don't look like you on
of the move
Put no goddamn hummus on me.
Hummus.
that killed Perfect Cell?
That's good with crackers.
I can get loud too. It's the father son come here, ass boy. Nigga, now you wanna smoke a blunt?
Of course I do, nigga. I watch anime. But first, we gotta get these hands in these questions. You feel me? Who was the 7th god of destruction?
Ask your mama about
Yeah,
Willie
yeah.
Johnson.
Yeah. Huh?
See, she'll tell you
Huh?
about it.
Yes, yeah.
Alright.
Funny ear motherfucker. That nigga was cold, yeah. Look just like your goofy long ear. Will Smith Dumbo ear having that motherfucker.
That boy do look pretty
I
fucking
look
goofy.
Alright. Okay. No,
Can you get it out, ass boy?
Trying to distract me, bro. How do Goku, Trunks, and Vegeta get rid of that nigga Zamu
Extends.
the Z guy?
He talking about extends, young blood.
Zamunda, nigga. What? This ain't coming to America, nigga. You don't even know his name. What the fuck?
You don't know,
Z
bro.
guy. For real?
Just say it.
I'll show you how to beat that motherfucker.
Where you going though? No, I'm gonna need them shorts though, man.
Hey,
No, I'm gonna need them shorts. I'm a real fan.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna just take it. He's gone.